Zdrówko, oby odpalił. Okay, welcome in episode 7 of V8 MIATA build, and today might be a big day because today our plan is to actually start the motor. The plan is to do the wire harness, all the little bits that we need for starting the engine, and it will be sick to hear the V8 today, so yeah, I'm pumped and let's go. Andre is working on the cables and we're gonna work on installing oil cooler. We're slowly getting ready to start the motor. We put the headers on. Derek's finishing the fuel system, and at the moment we're gonna use a fuel pump which we're gonna put into the bucket with fuel. We have the wires here with ECU. We're gonna use the stock ECU, and we have a air fuel meter here connected as well. First we need to still fill up the oil. So at the moment, for the first start of the engine, we're gonna use just a cheap normal oil, because we're gonna just run the engine for a short time with this oil in. Then we're gonna use a new oil filter, and then we're gonna use Motul 300V. So let's put this cheap one in and yeah, try to start it. Hey Bozo, what are we doing?
We are working right now.
So this is the battery we're gonna use, and this is our fuel tank, I guess. No ble! So this is the fuel pressure regulator, and then from there we got the hoses going to the fuel pump. We're just gonna fill it up with fuel, and then I'm gonna try to start it. Wow. Wow, boss. Wow. What the...
Stary! I to, że niby taki profesjonalny jest, tak?
Jest.
No nie chodzi o to, żeby nie wybuchło nic.
A co to ma być? Jak coś ja mam gaśnicę.
No patrz, tu jest nawet ogień narysowany na tym.
No, najpierw trzeba ustawić.
Zdrówko, oby odpalił.
Te 2, 8. Na ile?
2,8.
Żeby miał. Kiedy odpalamy?
So the red one is a minus and the red one is plus.
Obviously.
Okay, so at the moment we have a fuel pump here which makes noise when we connect it to the battery, but the fuel pressure regulator doesn't show any pressure. Bozo, what do you say? Good?
I don't know, man. No good, man.
Jakie Andrzeje tutaj się stoją.
Gdzie jest Wojtek? Nie.
A teraz jeszcze bardziej. Jakby bombę rozbrają.
Ja nie chcę zakręcić. Co jest?
Może go młotkiem piznąć, tak BMW się robi.
No.
So there is a noise from a starter, but it's just like a click noise. So we're gonna try to do a different battery. To samo. Same thing.
Coś jest z rozrusznikiem.
Nie gadaj, bo żeby go ściągnąć, to trzeba cały kolektor zajmować.
Cały manifold trzeba ściepać.
No.
So I think it might be the adapter that caused the problem. Let's try without the adapter.
Dalej.
So apparently we have a starter failure, and to get to the starter in one UZ you need to take all the intake manifold out and basically everything which is on top of the engine.
Very good engineering.
Good job Lexus people, Toyota actually. No i teraz to dolna część. Tu jest teraz.
Łapę grzybową możesz z tego zrobić.
So after taking everything out, there's a starter here, and this one's a failure.
O.
Oh, okay. These are the bits that we had to take out just for the starter. This is mud.
Bądź ciekaw z pierwszego właściciela.
O, bad. O. Wiemy.
So I was hoping that we're gonna start the car today, and it looks like we took a few steps back. So firstly, we are taking the starter out of the car, check everything before putting it back together. It's 1 a.m, so we probably gonna finish soon for today, and we're gonna keep working on it next time. That's the bad boy. No good, bad thing.
Dupa, tył.
This is mess, man.
Cheers.
Oi. So how it's supposed to be is supposed to kind of get out and spin, and as you can see, it just gets out. Oh, yeah. So now, so it took us 1 hour to take this bad boy out of the car because it wasn't working, and now it's working. Fucking every time, same man.
NIGHTRIDE.
Try again now. Wow. We're gonna drive to the place where they're gonna kind of fix it, make it work, and then we're gonna put it back together and start again. Yo! And start again. Bozo sam, pokaż jak machasz. Zgodnie z